Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing a quick weave protective style. Okay, so the bottle I'm showing you is the Roberts Diamond Bond Protective Shield. Guys, you are going to need this. Okay, you're gonna need this protective shield when you're doing, or if you're doing this style. Okay, and if you're using this protective shield, guys, make sure that you are applying this properly. Make sure that there's no gaps on your stocking cap. Make sure that the whole stocking cap, not all the stocking cap, I mean like where you're gonna put the quick weave, make sure that all of that part is properly saturated with this shield. Okay, because if not, your hair is going to pay the consequences. Okay, because if the glue gets on the stocking cap on your hair, trust me, you're gonna cry. Okay, when it's time to take it out. So make sure, let me repeat, that your hair, the stocking cap, is fully saturated with this protective shield. Okay, all right. Because I did on my first video when I did this protective shield, guys, I did not apply the protective shield properly on my hair, and I did regret it. Okay, so this time, as you can see, I have my mirror. I'm making sure that my hair is fully saturated because I ain't playing this time. Okay, so make sure that it's fully it's applied properly. Okay, guys, all right. Okay, love, so this is what a fully saturated stocking cap with a protective shield should look like. Okay, and I'm actually going to let you hear how the stocking cap feels after it's dry. Okay, so listen in, guys, listen in. Okay, love, so I'm just measuring that hair on my head to see how long or how short I need that length, and then I'm just going to go in with my scissors and just cut where I measured. Then I'll go in applying, you know, the hair glue, and then I'm just gonna, you know, just lay it on where I measured it. And this is going to be a repetition, guys, so I'm just gonna let you enjoy the video. And if you have any questions or concerns, just let me know down below in the comment section. Okay, and guys, I did not use a hand dryer to dry the glue on my head because you know I wasn't gonna keep this hair in for too long, and the glue holds up pretty good. Okay, so I didn't need any hand dryer to dry the glue, so I just pressed it in, and that was that. Right now, as I'm talking to you guys, I did take out the glue, I mean the hair. So, and I had, guys, listen, I had no problem in taking it out. Just use warm water, run it under the cap, stocking cap, and it came out just like butter. Okay, so if you follow these steps, simple steps, you'll have the same result without damaging your hair. Okay. Okay, love, so now we're almost at the top. So now I'm about to cut the stocking cap, guys. So this is the tedious part and the part that everyone is afraid of, because we do not want to cut our hair. Okay, so that's why I do recommend using a a brown stocking cap rather than a black stocking cap, because you could see better, actually, because if your hair is black and you're using a black stocking cap, it's going to be really hard to actually differentiate the stocking cap from your hair. So just to be safe, I would say go in with a nude stocking cap. Okay, but make sure, take your time in cutting the stocking cap, and no rush, take your time, and make sure you're using very sharp shears. Make sure you're using very sharp scissors. Okay, all right, and take your time, guys, no rush. All right. Hey love, so after successfully cutting that stocking cap off without cutting my hair, I'm now just applying the final pieces of hair on that stocking cap. Okay, so now I can breathe properly. Okay guys. Okay love, so and also if you're wondering why my leave out is so much, why did I leave out so much, it's because I was doing this quick weave for a little vacation that I went on, and during that vacation I wore just hats, guys, just like sun hats and all of that stuff. I did not have my hair out completely, so the top of my leave out was always covered. So the only place I was applying the heat on was the weave. Okay, so my hair was always protected. So during that whole trip, I did not apply heat on my natural hair. Okay, because of course this is a protective style, so I wanted to still protect my hair and make sure after taking this hair out, I did not receive any heat damage. So if you are going to be applying a lot of heat to your hair, please make sure that you do not have so much leave out on your head. Okay, so we want to still keep it a protective style to protect your hair. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Okay. Guys, I was so tired of squeezing this darn glue bottle. My fingers were hurting. I was over it.
you, but you can't let go. What are you doing? You want things to go back to normal, like every day when you used to call, hit me up, yeah, just to talk, telling me I'm beautiful when I'm a mess and now laying low on a Tuesday night, milkshake or extra fries, cause you know I'll be eating yours when I run out of mine. But lately, you've been missing from my daily, taking weeks just to engage with me. Don't play with me, it's something here just ain't right, and I'm gonna need to hear you speak off your chest with all the details, and if you lie to me, that's cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Tell me what happened to crazy for me, no control, spilling your emotional, fighting over who gets off the phone. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Yeah, I'm gonna need to hear you. I'm gonna need to hear you. Yeah, I'm gonna need.
Okay, loves, tell me that this isn't my freshly washed silk press hair. Like, this look like it's literally coming from my scalp. But anyways, guys, yes, I love, when you do your hair and it looks so natural. Look at that. But anyways, guys, stick around to the end because I'm gonna also curl the hair so you could see what that's looking like. Also, if you've reached this far in the video, why not subscribe to the channel, guys? Come on and join the Mskimmyk family. It's nothing but love and support over here because your girl is making movies over here, okay? And also, guys, make sure you like this video if you learned something. If you love the video, like it, guys. Also, drop comments down below. Let's have a conversation down below. And also, make sure that your notification bell is turned on. The next video that I'm going to be dropping is my vacation video. Yes, guys, your girl went on a little vacation, okay? So you do not want to miss that, okay, guys? So make sure your notification bell is turned on because, yes, I'm in the process of editing that video. Whew, that video is pure excitement. But anyways, guys, enough of that. Make sure your notification bell is turned on. Make sure you're subscribed. And thank you guys so much for tuning in to another one. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Mwah.